Hey, welcome back to Vitamin Quiz. Today we are exploring the animal kingdom. We have 20 questions to test your brain. Are you ready to become an animal expert? Let's go. Which powerful animal is widely known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Did you know that female lions, the lionesses, actually do 90% of the hunting? The males usually stay back to protect the family. What is the largest land mammal currently living on our planet? Hippopotamus or elephant? Elephant. An elephant's trunk is amazing. It has no bones but over 40,000 muscles. Humans only have 600 muscles in their whole body. Which black and white bird is famous for being unable to fly? Penguin or puffin? Penguin! Did you know penguins have a special supraorbital gland above their eyes? It filters salt from their blood, allowing them to drink ocean water. Wow! Isn't nature amazing? If you learned something new just now, hit that like button. Do you know what a baby kangaroo is officially called? A joey or a calf? A joey. Did you know a mother kangaroo can make 2 different types of milk at the same time? She makes special milk for the tiny baby in the pouch and different super energy milk for the older joey hopping outside. Which slow-moving animal spends most of its life hanging upside down? Sloth or koala? Sloth. Sloths move so slowly that green algae often grows on their fur, which helps camouflage them in the trees. Which tall animal has the highest blood pressure to reach its brain? Giraffe or hippo? Giraffe. To get blood all the way up that long neck, a giraffe's heart is about 60 centimeters long and weighs roughly 11 kilograms. It has to generate double the blood pressure of a human. How many hearts does an octopus actually have inside its body? 1 heart or 3 hearts? Three hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills for breathing, and the third pumps blood to the rest of the body. Also, their blood is blue. Which of these big cats is the only one that cannot roar? Leopard or cheetah? Cheetah. Cheetahs are the only big cats that cannot roar. Instead, they purr like house cats, but much louder when they are happy. What is the only mammal in the world capable of true flight? Bat or flying squirrel? Bat. A single brown bat can catch and eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes in just 1 hour. They are nature's bug zappers. What color is a polar bear's skin underneath all that white fur? Pink or black? Black. Did you know that their skin is black to absorb heat from the sun? Their fur isn't actually white. It is transparent and hollow to trap warmth. Which tiny bird is the only one that can fly backward? Hummingbird or sparrow? Hummingbird. Unlike other birds, hummingbirds have a unique shoulder structure that allows their wings to rotate 180 degrees, enabling them to hover and move in any direction, including backward and upside down. What is a large group of crows officially called? A party or a murder? A murder. Crows are incredibly smart. They can recognize individual human faces and remember if you were nice or mean to them for years. Be kind to animals. They are our friends. Which animal has fingerprints that are almost identical to a human's? Gorilla or koala? Koala. Koala fingerprints are so similar to humans that they have actually confused crime scene investigators in Australia. Which of these creatures is considered the loudest animal on Earth? Sperm whale or lion? Sperm whale. Their clicks can reach 230 decibels. That is louder than a jet engine, and the sound vibration is strong enough to heat up their prey. Which small animal is capable of sleeping for up to 3 years? Snail or bear? Snail. Snails need moisture to survive. If the weather is too dry, they seal themselves in their shell and sleep, hibernate, for years until rain returns. Which of these unusual creatures is known to have 32 brains? Leech or jellyfish? Leech. A leech has 32 body segments, and each segment has its own brain fragment. Technically, it's one brain spread out, but it acts like 32. In which species does the male give birth to the babies? Seahorse or turtle? Seahorse. The female deposits her eggs into the male's pouch, and he carries them for 45 days. He can give birth to 2,000 babies at once. Which animal is known to live for up to 500 years? Giant tortoise or Greenland shark? Greenland shark. Did you know these sharks grow incredibly slowly? Only 1 centimeter per year. They don't even become adults until they are around 150 years old. Which animal never drinks water in its lifetime? Camel or kangaroo rat? Kangaroo rat. Did you know that kangaroo rats obtain all the moisture they need from the seeds they eat and produce water metabolically, allowing them to survive in arid deserts? Which of these animals has 4 hearts? Shrimp or hagfish? Hagfish. The hagfish, also known as the slime eel, it has 1 main heart that does the heavy lifting, while 3 accessory hearts located throughout its body help pump blood through its low-pressure system. Good job! So, how many right answers did you get? Are you an animal expert? I hope you had fun and learned something new today. Subscribe and check our playlists for more fun quizzes.